got what it takes, you've got nothing to hide. You've got miles of feelings and acres of pride. You've got it, you've really got it. When you know who you are, then you live what you feel. You give what you can, and it's good when you really got it. And when you got it, let it out, let it show. Let 'em know inside you got it. Let it shine like a fine tomorrow. For when you do, the feeling comes back to you. What a difference it makes.